Hey, it's Jerry Levinson here at Carpets of Arizona, and what I wanted to show you is the installation process that we go through for carpet. The first thing that we do is give you a guaranteed accurate quote. It's a guaranteed accurate, no surprises quote that includes everything. We go ahead and take care of moving your furniture. We don't charge extra for that. We are going to tear out and dispose of your old carpet, so you don't have to worry about throwing it away. We take it and haul it off for you. Then we treat your floors with something called Dummbo Spray. Dummbo Spray kills dog urine, mold, mildew, bacteria, and odors. The good thing about Dummbo Spray is if you had a dog in there before and a new dog gets introduced to the environment, it can't smell where the previous dog did its business. So we had that happen to a lot of new homeowners where they have a dog, they don't want to go in the same spot that the previous homeowner's dog went. Okay, and then we always do a free upgraded pad. It's an 8-pound, 5/8 inch antimicrobial pad. It's done in a way no soil can get down into the pad. It's got protection for that, and it also increases the warranty on your carpet. Then we use the qualified installers, the qualified installation process, which allows us to give a lifetime guarantee on your carpet. So the seams and the stretching are done properly, and we do lifetime warranty those. If you ever have a problem with buckling, we take care of that for you. And we're the only company in the valley that offers free snow shoveling for all of its customers in Maricopa County. So in fact, if you talk to any of our customers, they have not had to shovel their driveways once since we've installed their flooring. Okay, Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and we look forward to meeting you.